Okay, so let me show you this project. It is very thick, it's very sturdy, it's very, very nice. In the back we have a little pull here. You can add something on there, a tassel or something if you like. And it closes with this kind of a closure. Of course, you can just use ribbons under these panels as well if you want, or use your own kind of closure, but I use this one. And it opens like this. And we have a whole journal folder. Now, here's the actual journal. It is behind these elastics. And because it is quite thick, the journal, I didn't put anything here. If you plan on only making a very narrow journal under here, you can replicate these and put them here as well. Now, this journal I actually made following the tutorial for the double journal made with the Bluebells kit, and I thought that was perfect for this. It has the perfect thickness. Look how beautiful these journal pages are. These are just perfect for a gentleman journal or notebook. Let me just quickly flip through them. There's a lot of room to write, but it's very, very, very detailed, you see. So this is the journal on this side. And on the other side, we also have another one. We pride ourselves in the details. There we go. So, of course, you can make another journal that is thinner, smaller, whatever you like. Okay. And then here is a clipboard to clip on newspaper clippings or other things that you're still working on, etc. And it fits very nicely into this big pocket. And on the side here we have two pockets with windows, and they're actually box envelopes. There's a lot of room in here, and they close magnetically, so you can put a lot of ephemera in here, or even thicker things, because this is actually a 1/4 inch thick, 6 millimeter. And thanks to these, this part fills up very nicely. Booklet, folder, whatever you call it, like this.